Welcome, and thank you for joining me today. Today we will be doing what we call a 61 points meditation, or also known as the 61 points Yoga Nidra. The practice of Yoga Nidra is known to provide us with a deep and profound relaxation. So I invite you now to be ready by starting to find a quiet space. A space where you can relax, where you can lie down comfortably, making sure that you prop yourself ready with blankets or cushions or blocks, whatever you need. You may pause this recording while you are getting ready to set up, lying down in a comfortable position. So when you are ready, finding a comfortable posture and try to remain still as much as you can. And before we start, I would like to invite you to bring your own intention. If you don't have any intention, but you simply want to rest and listen to the recording, that is absolutely fine as well. Or maybe you can just say to yourselves that your intention is to simply stay present throughout this practice. In this practice, I will take you to 61 points around the body. And all you need to do is simply relax as you bring your awareness to all these parts and points in the body as we go along. Just simply noticing any sensations and staying as present as possible. Where you feel certain parts of the body you don't want to pay attention to, you can leave that part of the body and just come back to the awareness of your breath. And if you're comfortable, you can start to close your eyes. If you feel that closing your eyes is not for you, you can always just gaze towards the tip of the nose, towards the ceiling, whatever that is comfortable for the eyes. And now bring your attention to the sounds around you. And taking that attention to the sounds outside your space. Simply allowing the sound to come to you rather than looking for any particular sound. Maybe taking that awareness now to the most distant sound that you can hear. And now slowly bring back that awareness to the sound that is closer to you. To the sound within your space. And to the sound that is within this body. Maybe the sound of your own breath. And in the next few moments, we're simply going to allow all these sounds to take you even deeper into the state of awareness, perhaps between awake and asleep. And now simply noticing this breath coming and going through the nostrils or the mouth. Just becoming aware of the sensations of this breath. And now take that awareness to the center of the eyebrows. Perhaps you can visualize a bright light centering here. You can also use this bright light to continue to move towards other parts of the body as we go along. Or perhaps using something that feels right and resonate with you. Now notice the sensations around this space at the center of the eyebrows. Taking that awareness to the base center of the throat. Moving to the right shoulder joint. To the right elbow joint. To the right wrist. The right thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger, little finger, back to the right wrist, the right elbow joint, the right shoulder joint, to the base center of the throat. Now moving to the left shoulder joint, to the left elbow joint, the left wrist, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, left wrist, elbow joint, shoulder joint, to the base center of the throat, to the center of the chest or the heart center, to the right side of the chest, the center of the chest, the left side of the chest, the center of the chest, to the center of the navel or the belly button, to the center of the pelvis, the right hip joint, the right knee joint, the right ankle, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, right ankle, right knee joint, the right hip joint, the center of the pelvis, the left hip joint, left knee joint, left ankle, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, left ankle, knee joint, the left hip joint, the center of the pelvis, back to the navel point, the center of the chest, the center base of the throat, back to the center of the eyebrows, the center of the eyebrows, the center of the eyebrows. And now take your awareness to the whole of the right side of the body, moving that awareness to the whole of the left side of the body. Take that awareness to the whole of the front part of the body, moving to the whole of the back part of the body. Now become aware of the whole of the insides of the body, to the whole of the outsides of the body. Now take your awareness to the whole of your thoughts, to the whole of your emotions, to the whole of the energy, becoming aware of the whole of the body, the whole of the body, the whole of the body. And now take all that awareness back to the breath. Simply noticing this breath coming and going. As you take the awareness of the breath to the whole of this body, the space around the body and the ground beneath that is unconditionally supporting this body. And then let go of everything as you simply rest here. Simply observing the whole of the experience without any expectations, nothing to achieve, and nowhere to go.